Oh. Hi there, mister. Mister, get up. Give me a minute. I'm fine. Here, go to the doctor. Well, what is it? Well, it's not good news. Well, I guess that. You got tuberculosis. Sorry, mister, it's a hell of a thing. Still hadn't found a cure for it yet. Well, the best thing is rest. Here, let me give you some energy and rest for as much as you can until the time comes. I'm sorry, mister, but I can't rest. I can't really quite rest. I just got off of an island and everything has been going absolutely shitty for now. But, whatever, mister, just have a good day. I'll try and rest. If I even can. Sadie. So, how are we gonna scout out where John is?
I don't know.
What if there's a hot air balloon? And there is
there's
one!
a hot air balloon.
What a coincidence. Alright, Sadie, help me sneak it out. Remove all the trip wires, and then we'll go scout out to the Sisica place, and then we'll get John out of there, but it's gonna cost us a huge bounty, maybe $1,500. Alright, come on.
Okay, whatever.
Hey, that's John! That's John! Sadie, that's John! He's mining. Tell me where the hell John Marston is. Hey.
I'm not telling you.
Where the hell is John Marston? I'm gonna count to 60 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I'm not telling you.
You count.
What?
You count.
1, 2.
We're probably at 35 seconds now. Tell me where John is or I'm blowing your brains out.
Nuh-uh.
Oh, shit. John.
Oh,
Come with us.
Alright.
We're breaking you out of prison. Get in the hot air balloon. Well, we got John.
It was not time for John yet.
Oh, so you wanted him to hang then, you bastard?
No. Shut up, Arthur.
It's always you, Micah. You're defending him like a gay bastard. I'm done with you.
Shut up. I'm leaving the gang.
Why, Sadie?
This gang is so toxic.
Alright, I guess. Have a good life.
Have a
Trust
good life.
me. When the time comes, do not look back and run from whatever comes for you. Alright.
Okay. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Sadie. We all need to have a little chat.
Who's gonna be the new Messiah?
Oh shit, it's the Pinkerton!
Wait. Oyster, we have no time for this.
I'll hold them off. John, it will mean a lot to me. Please, don't look back when the time comes. Now go help your family. Get out here and be a goddamn man. I'll hold them off.
Alright.
I held them all off. Micah, you rat!
Come on, he's dying. Stop. Now.
Of crash